In order to address the challenges faced by state corporations, including government-owned enterprises, the government will first privatize government-owned enterprises whose mandates are no longer relevant, those that require huge budgetary allocations for bailouts, and those producing goods and services that are more efficiently produced by the private sector. Second, restructure the state corporations through mergers and or transfer back to parent ministries or relevant state corporations to remove duplication of functions, and enhance the efficiencies and synergies in operations so as to optimize use of limited resources. And ensure state corporations are self-sustaining, generate additional revenue to the exchequer, and also ensure quality service delivery to Kenyans. In addition, Mr. Speaker, the government is committed to implement policy changes to ensure government-owned enterprises realize their full potential. You will note that in 2023, the cabinet approved the ownership policy for the government-owned enterprises. And this is a key governance reform framework. Mr. Speaker, to anchor the policy in law and to give effect to its operationalization, a draft Government-Owned Enterprise Bill 2024 has been fundraised and is undergoing public participation. Once the process is completed and an approval granted by Cabinet, the bill will be submitted to this august House for consideration, and I'm seeking support from this House for approval of the bill. Mr. Speaker, we have also prepared a draft Government Investment Regulations 2024 to provide a framework for efficient and effective management of government investment. The draft regulations will be taken through public participation before submission to this House for consideration and, if possible, approval. Fourth, let me